YouTube Shorts versus TikTok video. Which one is better? Which one should you create? Which one gives you more money, more views, more audiences? The first reason is that you will stay ahead of the competition. In February 1, 2023, YouTube will be paying YouTube Shorts revenue to creators. Which means that most of us are still early, the revenue is not much yet. But, if a TikTok creator knows that YouTube Shorts pay more than TikTok, they will start creating on YouTube and creating more competition for you. When that time comes, it will be harder for you to get more views on YouTube Shorts and grow your subscribers. Please help me like the video so YouTube can promote to more audiences, subscribe and ring the bell. The second reason is YouTube is paying Shorts revenue to creators. More and more creators will be overjoyed at the news and quickly jump the opportunity to create more contents on Shorts. TikTok creators will be joining the competition too when they heard how much money YouTubers can make. On TikTok, you will earn $200 for 500,000 followers per post. On YouTube Shorts, you will earn $0.32 per 1,000 views. Assuming you have 1.6 million views, that's approximately $512 per original Shorts content. These new creators will be experimenting with new and creative ways to make their videos to stand out. As a result, Shorts will become more popular and the competition will be stiffer. 9 months ago, I was getting about 2,000 to 3,000 views on per Shorts video, but the views decreased to 1,000 to 2,000, sometimes even 500 when YouTube promoting them on Shorts feed. Creators who previously having hard time to make money on their long-form videos found that they can make decent income from Shorts alone. But, you are early in the game by watching this video. The third reason is to reach a broader audiences. YouTube has a larger user base of 30 billion with over 1.5 billion monthly active users, which means a potentially wider audience for your videos. TikTok has only 1 billion monthly active users. This is in February 2023. What do you think it will happen when Shorts video can earn revenue? The active users on YouTube will increase. For small creators, you can get up to around 2,000 views on YouTube to get people to know you. Maybe you have a passion for music and beautiful voice. With YouTube Shorts, you can now reach more people to appreciate your music. People from all around the world can watch your performance and your popularity on the platform can easily grow. People might even invite you to perform on stages and become a global star. If you are doing other niches such as showcase talents, making challenge videos, with the increased audiences gonna flood YouTube Shorts, you will have more chances to easily grow your audiences and channel. Better to start early than late. If you are still watching, I am gonna give you a bonus tip. YouTube's terms of service give you more control over your content, with clear guidelines on copyright and the ability to monetize your own channel by meeting a certain guidelines. YouTube Shorts doesn't have a watermark like TikTok videos. So, the video belongs to you. You can freely upload a video and delete it later. YouTube also has a well-established monetization system for creators through advertising revenue, subscriptions, and sponsorships, offering more opportunities to generate income. The income revenue from Shorts might increase later in the future, as 9 months ago, only a few creators can earn money from Shorts. YouTube has a more established revenue partners and programs. TikTok might be a thing of the past when more creators come to YouTube platform. Do remember that YouTube Shorts are less than 60 seconds, they should be creative, short and concise. Make sure your audiences watch until the end, and have a call to action like motivational channels. Another tip is to make your titles curious and engaging, like involving your audiences to do something. You can use ChatGPT to suggest your videos' titles. So, which types of videos do you prefer to create? YouTube Shorts or TikTok videos? Comment down below. In future videos, I will be posting some tricks and tips to utilize YouTube features to get more views and how people can discover your video.